Well, friends, whether we talk about mythical creatures from ancient times or terrifying beasts from mythology, these weren't just creations of human imagination. Some of them actually existed in real life. And in today's video, we'll explore exactly how these mythical creatures went extinct. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. It really motivates me to bring you more such content. Now, let's get into it. Let's begin with Fenrir, a legendary creature from Norse mythology, a giant, monstrous wolf. You might have even seen a version of it in the movie Thor: Ragnarok. But here's the crazy part. Giant wolves like Fenrir actually existed during the Ice Age. Yes, I'm talking about direwolves, one of the largest wolf species ever to walk the earth. These massive predators were about 25% larger than modern wolves, and they could take down huge Ice Age animals with ease. Unfortunately, as the Ice Age ended and many megafauna species began to disappear, the direwolves also went extinct. However, their close relatives, the gray wolves, still live today. So, what do you think about this real-life mythical beast? Let me know in the comments. Four-tusked elephants, the real-life myth of Hindu legends. Well, in Hinduism, there are many references to elephants with four tusks, like the divine elephant Airavata, the mount of Lord Indra. And not just that, even in the famous Ramayana, mythical elephants like these are mentioned. But guess what, friends? Around 23 million years ago, when megalodons were roaming the oceans, there really were four-tusked elephant-like creatures walking the earth. They were called gomphotheres, ancient relatives of modern elephants. It's believed that they used two of their tusks like shovels to help gather food, since they were herbivores. Now, during the time gomphotheres existed, early humans like Homo erectus were still evolving with relatively small brains, so it's possible these creatures were seen and remembered through stories and legends. Eventually, like many Ice Age giants, gomphotheres also went extinct over time. And hey, if you're still watching the video at this point, make sure to hit that like button to support the channel. Fiction definitely seen dragons in some movie or TV series, right? In Eastern cultures, they're usually shown without wings, while in Western cultures, they appear with giant wings and breathe fire. Well, it's believed that the concept of dragons actually came from dinosaur fossils. Long ago, people may have discovered massive ancient bones, and without any scientific explanation, used their imagination to create the myth of dragons. But here's the crazy part. Around 66 million years ago, there was no need to imagine dragons. That's because a real flying giant existed, the Quetzalcoatlus, the largest flying creature to ever evolve on Earth. This beast wasn't just big. It's as long as two grown humans, and it likely fed on dead dinosaurs and their young. So honestly, the idea of dragons may not be as fictional as we once thought. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. 4. Loch Ness. For nearly 1,500 years, people in Scotland have claimed to spot a mysterious creature in a lake called Loch Ness. Witnesses often describe it as having a long neck and say it looks a lot like a dinosaur. Now, even after years of research, no dinosaur matching that exact description has ever been officially discovered, so most experts believe the Loch Ness monster is a myth. But here's the strange part. Around 66 million years ago, creatures that looked exactly like the Loch Ness monster actually did roam Earth's oceans. They were called plesiosaurs. These marine reptiles were massive, about the size of 3 SUVs, which means they were even larger than the creature people claim to see in Loch Ness. Plesiosaurs ruled the seas for millions of years, until the mass extinction event wiped them out. So is Nessie just a legend? Or a faded memory of a real prehistoric beast? Before we move on to the next creature, don't forget to like the video. 3. The giant lion, king of the Ice Age. Without a doubt, lions have played a huge role in mythologies around the world, but in Greek mythology they were especially important. One of the most famous is the Nemean lion, a beast so powerful that even Hercules had to defeat it with his bare hands. But guess what? A real giant lion once walked the earth. During the freezing cold of the Ice Age, a massive predator known as the American lion roamed North America. It wasn't just a little bigger than today's lions, it was the largest cat species to ever exist. To put it in perspective, today's lions are found mostly in Africa and a few parts of India, but the American lion ruled across North America, hunting giant Ice Age animals like mammoths and bison. Sadly, around 11,000 years ago, these majestic beasts went extinct, most likely because their prey disappeared and they couldn't find enough food to survive. Let us know in the comments, did you know giant lions actually existed? And there you have it, another piece of ancient truth hidden in time. From giant lions to dragon-like beasts, these weren't just legends, they were real creatures that once ruled the earth. It's crazy to think how many of them disappeared because of humans, and it makes you wonder, what else have we forgotten? Tell me in the comments, which creature surprised you the most? If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more wild facts and ancient mysteries. Your support keeps this journey alive. Thanks for watching,